Children, find the product by suitable rearrangement. Rearrangement. So here first problem is 25 into 1963 means 1963 into 4 into 4. Second problem 20 into 255 into 50 into 6. So take first problem, children. First one 25 into 1963 into 4. So first take 25 into 4. 25 into 4. Keep in bracket. Into what is the remaining number? 1963. So 25 4 jar 100 into 1963. So do multiplication. So 1963. After keep two zeros. So this value 1,96,300. 1,96,300. Clear, children? Next we are going to take next problem in third page. So 20 into 255 into 50 into 6. So now take 20 into 50. 20 into 50 into 255 into 6. 255 into 6. So 20 into 50 first take. What is the remaining number? 255 into 6. Now 20 into 50 answer 2 5 jar. Here 2, here 5. 2 5 jar how much, children? 10. Here 0, bring down. Here 0, bring down. So finally 20 50 is how much, children? 1000 into here 255 into 6. Here 255 into 6. 6 5 jar 30. 3 carry. 6 5 jar 30 plus 3 carry 13. Sorry. 6 5 jar 30. 3 carry. 6 5 jar 30 plus 3 33. 3 carry. 6 2 jar 12. 12 plus 3 how much, children? 15. Once again 6 5 jar 30. 3 carry. 6 5 jar 30 plus 3 33. 3 carry. 6 2 jar 12 plus 3 15. So this answer how much, children? 1530. 1530. Now 1000 into 1530. So 1 into 1530. 1530. After here how many zeros are there given? How many zeros are there, children? 3. 1 2 3. So you keep 1 2 3. Now ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Clear, children? 20 into 50,000, 255 into 6 answer 1530. Now do multiplication this, children. So 1530. After how many zeros are there in 1000? 3. After all, we keep 3 zeros. Now read this number: ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So this number value is 15,000. 15 lakh 30,000. 15 lakh 30,000. Next problem. Clear, children? Fourth one, find the value of the following. Find the value of following. First problem, 368 into 12 plus 18 into 368. See, children, what is the given question, children? Find the value of following. 368 into 12 plus 18 into 368. One, see, children, A into B plus C into A. Here A value 368, B value 12, C value 80. So now take 368 common, taking outside. From this 368 12 plus 18. 12 plus 18. Clear children? Once again, here 368 into 12 plus 18 into 368. So here 368 common, here also 368 common. By taking outside from this 368, what is the remaining number here? 12. This symbol is given plus. Here what is the remaining number? 18. Next process, 368 of 12 plus 18. 12 plus 18 how much children? 30. How much? 30. Now 368 of 30 means we have to do multiplication. So 368 into 30. 3 8 0. Sorry. 0 8 0. 0 6 0. 0 3 0. Leaves one's place. Once again children. 0 8 0. 0 6 0. 0 3 0. Next take 3. 3 8 are 24. 2 carry in tens place. 3 6 are 18. 18 plus 2 20. 2 carry. 3 3 are 9 plus 2 11. So 0 4 0 1 1. 1 stands hundreds, thousand, 10,000. What is this answer? 11,040. What is this answer? 11,040. Clear children? Once look at. Okay, right. Next, fifth problem. What is that? Find the product using suitable properties. First one, 205 into 1989. See children, 205 into 1989. We are given find the product. Symbol into symbol is given using suitable properties. Already we know that properties: closure property, commutative property, associative property, and distributive property. So take 205. This 205. Write in 200 plus 5. See children, take 205. Write in 200 plus 5. So 200 plus 5 into 205. Write in 200 plus 5 into what is the remaining number? 1989. 1989. Now this is the A plus B into C. So which property children? Which property? 200 plus 5 into 1989. So 200 into 1989 plus 5 into 1989. So distributive property. 1989 distribute to 200 plus 1989 distribute to 5. Now 200 into 1989 plus 5 into 1989. Here 1989 into 200. 090 080 090 010. Leaves the ones place. Now take tens place. 090 080 090 010. Leaves tens place. Now take 2. 2 9s are 18. 1 carry. 2 8s are 16 plus 1. How much children? 17. 1 carry. 2 9s are 18 plus 1. 19. 1 carry. 2 1s are 2 plus 1 3. So total 00893. Once again children, 2 nines 18, 1 carry, 2 8s are 16 plus 1 17, 1 carry, 2 9s are 18 plus 1 19, 1 carry, 2 1s are 2 plus 1 3. So this number 3,97,800. This value 3,97,800 plus now 1989 into 5. 1989 into 5. 5 9s are 45, 4 carry. 5 8s are 40 plus 4, 44, 4 carry. 5 9s are 45 plus 4, 49, 4 carry. 5 1s are 5 plus 4, 9. Once again children, 9 5s are 45, 4. 9 8 9 sorry 5 8s are 40 plus 4, 44, 4. 5 9s are 45 plus 4, 49, 4. 5 1s are 5 plus 4, 9. So this total how much children? 9,945. Now add addition. What is children? Addition. These two numbers addition. So 200 plus 1989 answer is 3,97,800. 5 into 1989 answer how much children? 9,945 here. 9,945 addition. 0 plus 5 5. 0 plus 4 4. 8 plus 9 17. How much children? 17. 1 carry. 1 plus 7 8. 8 plus 9 17. 1 carry. 1 plus 9 10. 1 carry. 1 plus 3 4. So this answer how much children? 4,07,745. 4,07,745. This is the answer. First bit in fourth problem. What is the given question? Once see children. Find the product using a suitable property. Take 205 into 1989. Take 209, write in 200 plus 5 here. So into 1989. So 200 into 1989 plus 5 into 1989. So which property? Distributive property under addition. So 200 into 1989 answer 3,97,800 plus 5 into 1989 answer 9,945. Add these two numbers. How much you get? 4,07,745. Okay, children. Next, sixth problem. Children, sixth one. A milk vendor supplies 56 liters of milk in the morning and 44 liters of milk in the evening to a hostel. Once again children, a milk vendor supplies 56 liters of milk in the morning and 44 liters of milk in the evening to a hostel. If the milk costs 30 rupees per liter, so how much money he gets per day? Once see children, in morning how many liters of milk to supply to hostel children? For 56 liters. In evening how many liters children? 44 liters. The cost of 1 liter of milk how much children? 30 rupees. So 56 liters plus 44 liters how much children? 100. So 100 into 30 rupees we get the answer. Okay children? Yes. See, this is the word problem, sixth problem. A milk vendor supplies of milk in the morning number of liters. L. Here L means what children? Liter. Number of liters equal to how much children? 56 liters. 56 liters. in the evening. A milk vendor supplies of milk in the evening. Number of liters equal to how much children? 44 liters. Total number of liters. Total number of liters equal to 56 plus 44 liters equal to 56 plus 44 how much children? 100 liters. 100 liters. Cost of 1 liter of milk. 1 liter of milk. How much children? 30. Now we have to find cost of 100 liters of milk. 100 liters of milk. That is the question mark. One see children. A milk vendor supplies of milk in the morning. Number of liters equal to 56 liters. A milk vendor supplies of milk in the evening. Number of liters equal to 44 liters. Total number of liters equal to 56 liters plus 44 liters. Total how much children? 100 liters. The given cost of 1 liter of milk is equal to 30 rupees. Now we have to find the cost of 100 liters of milk. That is the question mark. Now take 100 liters into 1 liter cost of milk. How much children? 30 rupees. Do multiplication. So 100 into 30 rupees equal to how much? Once do it here. So 100 into 30. 0 into 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0. Leaves one place. 3 zeros, 0. 3 zeros, 0. 3 ones are 3. So total, how much children? 3000 rupees. How much rupees children? 3000 rupees. 3000 rupees. So the cost of 100 liters of milk, how much children? 3000. Okay, next. What's the children? Right. Next problem. Chandana and Venu purchased 12 notebooks and 10 notebooks respectively. Here two persons are gave. First one Chandana and Venu purchased 12 notebooks. Chandana purchased 12 notebooks and Venu purchased 10 notebooks respectively. The cost of each notebook is 15 rupees. Each notebook cost how much given children? 15 rupees. So then how much amount should they pay to the shopkeeper? Means 12 notebooks plus 10 notebooks, total how much children? 20 notebooks. Each notebook cost 15 rupees. So 22 into 15 we get the answer. That amount they are both gave to shopkeeper. Clear children? Sixth problem. This is the seventh problem, children. Chandana purchased number of notebooks. How many children? 12 notebooks. How many? 12 notebooks. Next name Venu. Venu purchased number of notebooks equal to how much children? 10. Total number of notebooks equal to 12 plus 10. Total how much children? 22. Cost of each notebook, how much children? 15 rupees. Cost of each notebook? 15 rupees. Now cost of 22 notebooks, we have to find it. Cost of 22 notebooks equal to question mark. Once see children. Chandana purchased number of notebooks equal to 12 and Venu purchased number of notebooks is equal to 10. Total number of notebooks is equal to 12 plus 10 is equal to 22. Cost of each notebook equal to 15. Now we have to find the cost of 22 notebooks. So take 22 into 15. We have to do which operation applied here, children? Multiplication. Which operation? Multiplication. We have how many operations are there in mathematics? 4. First one is addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. But in this problem, I have to apply multiplication operation. So take 22 into 50. So 22 into 50. 5 2s are 10, 1 carry, 5 2s are 10 plus 1, 11, 1 2s are 2, 1 2s are 2, 0, 1 plus 2, 3, 1 plus 2, 3. Total how much, children? 330 rupees. 330 rupees. One subject. Take off minutes, children, on this solution. Okay, children. Next. Now discussing about patterns. What, children? Patterns. Why use the patterns? If they gave any problem, you solve the given problem easily. So take exercise 2.3. Exercise 2.3. First one, study the pattern question given. Study the pattern. This is a very simple. 1 into 8 plus 1. 1 into 8 plus 1. 1 8 are how much, children? 1 8 are 8. 8 plus 1 how much? 9. Once see, children. 1 into 8 plus 1 given. 1 into 8, 8 plus 1, 9. Next step, 12 into 8 plus 1. That means 1 after which one given? 2. 1 after 2 into 8 plus 1. So 12 8 are how much, children? 12 8 are how much? Sorry, here 2. 1 after here 2. So 12 8 are how much, children? 96. 96 plus 2 how much, children? 98. So 9 after 8. Next one, 1 after 1 2. After 1 2 3 into 8 plus 3 equal to 9 8 7. See, children, this is the given pattern. Here asking, we have to find the next 4 steps. We have to find the next 4 steps. Once see, children, 1 into 8 plus 1 equal to how much, children? 9. So 1 after here, which one came? 2. So 1 2 into 8. Here 1 place here, replace 2. So 12 8 are 96 plus 2 how much, children? 9 8. 9 after 8. Here 1 2 3 into 8. Here 3 plus 9 8 7. Next step. 1 2 3 after what, children? 1 2 3 after 4 into 8 plus 3 after what? 4 equal to here 9 8 7 6. 9 8 7 6. Next step. 1 2 3 4 after what, children? 5 into 8 plus 4 after what? 5 equal to here 9 8 7 6 5. Okay, now this is the decreasing, this is the increasing. So on right side increasing, on left side decreasing. Next step. 1 2 3 4 5 after what children? 6 into 8 plus 5 after what? 6 equal to 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Clear children? Next step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 into 8 plus 7 equal to 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Clear children? One more step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How much children? 8 into 8 plus 8 equal to 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. 5, 4, 3, 2. One more step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 into 8 into 9. Sorry, plus 9 equal to 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is the given pattern. Clear children? Once observe here. It is very simple. It is very simple. Okay, next second problem. Here, second problem. Study the pattern. Same problem, same type, not same. Study pattern. Study the pattern. 91 into 11 into 1 equal to 1001. 91 into 11 into 2 is equal to 2002. 91 into 11 into 3 is equal to 3003. Clear? See children, 91 into 11 into 1 is equal to 1001. Once see, 91 11 jar. 91 11 jar here. 91 into 11. 1 is 1, 1 9 jar 9. 1 is 1, 1 9 jar 9. So 1, 9 plus 1, 10, 1 carry, 1 plus 9, 10. So how much children? 1001. So 91 11, so how much children? 1001. Into 1, how much? 1001. One see children. 91 11 jar 1001 into 2, how much? 2002. 91 into 11 into 3 3003. Next one, 91 into 11 into 4 4004. Clear children? 91 11 into 5 equal to 5005. Here 5 5005. Here 4 4004. 3 3003. 2 2002. 1 1002. Like that. So 91 into 11 into 6 equal to 6006. 91 into 11 into 7 equal to 7007. 91 into 11 into 8 equal to 8008. 91 into 11 into 9 equal to 9009. Clear children? Once observe this. Okay children? Next problem. Next problem, this is the third. 143 into 7 into 1 equal to dash. 143 into 7 into 2. See children, 143 into 7 into 1. Take 143 into 7. Here, 143 into 7. Do multiplication children. 7 3 are 21. 2 carry. 7 4 are 28 plus 2 30. 3 carry. 7 1 are 7 plus 3 11. Sorry 10. 7 plus 7 1 are 7 plus 3 10. So how much is answer? 1001 into 1 1001. Here 143 into 7 into 2 2002. So 143 into 7 into 3 is equal to 3003. 143 into 7 into 4 equal to 4004. 143 into 7 into 5 equal to 5005. 143 into 7 into 6 equal to 6006. 143 into 7 into 7 equal to 7007. 143 into 7 into 8 equal to 8008. 143 into 7 into 9 equal to 9009. Once children, this is the pattern. 143 into 7 into 1, 1001. 143 7 into 2 is equal to 2002. Do like this. Clear children? So thank you very much.